Hey, Aaron and Lauren. Thanks again for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Lauren. In this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Deer Park Roofing. If you look up Roofing Cincinnati, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to beat them. And you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, I don't have time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But first, I was peeking through your website before making this video, and you guys did an awesome job. It's a super clean website. I love the fact that you guys aren't just relying on heavy stock photos like most roofing contractors do. These look like they're all legitimate projects you guys have actually completed, and it's really cool. It seems like they're all taken with drones, which many roofers would love to have the ability to take photos with drones. So you guys did an awesome job from the design and the look of your website. I love it. What Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, and you're at 579. If we look at Deer Park, these guys have 1,838. So you can see they're above that 1,500 word mark. So not only would you want to get to 1,500 words to show Google you're an authority, but really I would beat them. So I would go up to about 2,000 words. That way you just blow them out of the water. But plus, it gives you more room to fit in keywords. And a keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So I actually pulled up some for you. Feel free to pause this video so you can put these inside of your content. But for example, like Roofers Cincinnati, 600 people search that every month. Roofing Cincinnati, 500 people search that every month. You can imagine if you were number 1 in front of 1,100 people who wanted to purchase roofing in Cincinnati every month, it would completely transform your business, right? And so that's why it's so important to put these keywords inside of your content. And if I search through it, you can see roofing Cincinnati is not on here at all. So just make sure you fit those keywords in there a couple times. You can also save your images as keywords. I can't see that one. Let's see this one. Save. Oop, that's save link. I don't think I can see. There you go. Save image. So this is just like your normal default image title, but you can save this as like Roofing Cincinnati. And then you could save this one over here as like Roofer Cincinnati. Wow, can't type today. And those will also help you rank for all those keywords. All right. That's my first tip for you, Aaron and Lauren, regarding content. My next one for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see the same information for free. It says you currently have 10 websites linking to you, which is a fantastic start. Deer Park Roofing has 345 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them. If these 345 websites were good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. And so I'd go one by one just like they did and put a link on each one of these websites back to my own. A lot of times it's simple. Like for example, they've got Pinterest in Canada, France, United Kingdom. Pinterest, the whole point of them is to create links. So you just create a free profile on Pinterest on each of these different countries and put a link back to your website, and you've already copied those. Then you've got things such as like, local.yahoo.com. You can create a new listing here, claim a new listing. It's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the free business growth that comes with being there. I've got one last tip for you. It's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Angie, Yelp, GAF, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Deer Park Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Deer Park was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Aaron and Lauren. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage, and you want to fit in keywords like Roofing Cincinnati, Roofers in Cincinnati, Roofer in Cincinnati, stuff like that. Then you want to take the websites that are linking to Deer Park and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Deer Park. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. And I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go, and the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are already doing this. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Lauren. I hope this video was helpful for you, Blake. Or Aaron, not Blake. and I hope you've had a great, or I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. See you later.